How's it going, everybody? It's Death the Unicorn, and today we're trying something new. So first of all, I wish I could have gotten this video out for the 5th, because as we all know, it was a global holiday, the quintuplets' birthdays. Alright, so now that we've established that I'm a down bad weeb, let's talk about the video, basically inspired by MXR Plays, because, you know, your boy here isn't original. We're gonna look at some stuff. Specifically some art tutorials from Art Tips Book on Instagram. Now, I know what you're wondering, but Death, what makes you qualified to do this? And to you, sir, I say, shh, it's fine. I'll have you know that I'm a failing art student with quite the portfolio. Behold, the sloppy line art, the lack of shading and no proper folds in the clothes. Even my best works rely on references and still aren't spot on. And of course, I'm sure you've noticed, I don't fuck with colors. Yeah, straight up color theory, I don't fuck with that. I am not good with that. And I'm sure you've also noticed that most of it is all just like pencil. Yeah, I'm not good at painting either. I don't know why I chose my major, don't ask, but yeah, that's where we're at. So I am by no means a professional. And if you thought you were gonna get a thorough, invested breakdown of these tutorials, I hate to say it, I'm pretty much an amateur, but yeah, if you're here to vibe and just hang out, then let's go. When you're new at art and you can't do perspective, damn, I've been drawing since I was a kid and I'm still dog shit at it. I'll be real with you, I'd take either of these. I wouldn't think that much about it. That's just me. Hand tutorial. Oh, by Teleport. Okay. We know Teleport knows his shit. Hell yeah, put it to good use there, damn straight, brother. Yeah, I'll be real with you, I didn't learn anything out of this. I was too distracted just by the animation itself. And I kind of forgot this was even a hand tutorial. I thought we were learning how to animate. Oh, shit. You gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. These poses might be handy, save for later. Au contraire, my friend, they will not be handy. None of them have hands. Sorry, I had to make that joke. You're not wrong. You have a good understanding of anatomy. But to be honest, they kind of look the same to me. You could give me either or and I'd still be like, ah, yes, okay. I love it when characters, normal face, pissed off. I don't know, I think that one's kind of about context. I mean, it doesn't really make me think that they're pissed off. Yeah, okay, just looking at this, this doesn't sell it to me. This does not make me think that they're pissed off. I mean, maybe give it some context. Like in a scene, it would work if you have some context, but honestly, to me, it might just look like he's like looking at something he actually cares about. And he's just like admiring it or some shit. Like, yeah, that's nice. Like maybe add like a little fucking, you know, that little vein in the forehead somewhere. Then it's kind of like, yeah, that's nice. You know what I mean? Smooch wisdom. You don't say. Well, consider me interested. You're gonna teach me how to smooch a girl, right? No? Okay, that's cool too. Ah, cats. The Neko. Yes. I'm not a cat person. That's just me. No beef, but you know. Okay. I'm no expert, but did I miss something? We said cats. That's a fucking dog. Okay. Actually, this is pretty useful. I like that. You know, so this is kind of something I want to talk about that I've seen on a lot of tips pages and shit. Some of the tips, like, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying like this is wrong by any means. Like, yeah, this is more realistic, accurate than this. I mean, they look like they're pregnant instead of obese. That's not my beef. My beef though is that I feel like some of these things, it kind of just comes down to pure style. art tutorials be like, don't suck, do be good. Facts. But like I said, like it comes down to kind of like aesthetic style. Like, what are you going for? Like, is it more cartoon? Is it supposed to be realistic? Is it like what is the style? Like, no one said you have to be fucking hyper real and perfect when you make something. Shit, look at all the cartoons on Cartoon Network, you know? And don't create Kim Kardashian. Again, though, I mean, it might just be the aesthetic and style someone's going for. You never know. You never know. That's just me, though. Hail as old as time. Horny drawings. Artist. Anatomy. Artist. Big facts. Big facts. I mean, shit, that's what stops me, right? Oh, man. Hand studies. Hey, it's like Lulu's hand when she first tried making hands on Dragon Maid. Girls drawing girls, boys drawing girls. You know what? Maybe back in the day, but I'll be real with you. You know, certain people I know would be down as fuck for that. Just people, you know. This method is genius. I could see it working. I just don't see myself actually using it. Oh shit. I am tired as hell, guys.